Hi, this is Rob Connolly, boys golf coach here at St. Rose High School. Today we are honoring our senior sports awards for boys golf. Our program is based on tradition and hard work. This team would have been going for our 11th consecutive state sectional title. This team was definitely up for the task. They worked extremely hard in the off season and were improving with each practice this year. They are all champions in my eyes. Our first senior to be honored today is Christian Riazzi Bodine. Christian is a first-year player. He has made progress and showed potential in our practices. And I would like to thank you, Christian, for coming out for the team, and I wish you well going forward in college. Our second senior is Aaron Morgan. Aaron is a 4-year team member. I'd like to thank you, Aaron, for your effort and hard work during these years. You have improved each year, and you have been a great asset to our team. I wish you the best in college, and you will be awarded our Coaches Award for your hard work and dedication. Thank you, Aaron. Our next senior is William Oden H. William is a 2-year team member. William showed improvement from last season to the beginning of this season. He has always been helpful at practice, putting in the extra work, showing up early and staying after, working hard on the putting green, and getting better each and every day. William, for this year, you will be awarded our Coaches Award. Thank you, and good luck going forward in college. Our final senior is Matt Deluca. Matt is a 3-year team member. Going into this year, he is our team leader, leading by example with his hard work and dedication. Matt lowered his scoring average by 3 strokes from last season and showed how hard he worked in our off season this year. I want to thank Matt for your commitment, dedication, and hard work to our team. And for that, this year, you have earned our award as our most improved player. Good luck next year in college. Thank you, Matt.